Hi, agency or business owner. I hope you are doing well. So today in this video, I'll try to talk to you actually how to Google Ads analysis actually. So I'm a professional reference marketer and for top reference right now, I actually provide Google Ads, Meta Ads, G4 GTM and tracking service. So today in this video topic is Google Ads analysis like which placement so we are getting the result and how much cost and how much result actually we are receiving. So we will see the live in totally and especially for Google as performance mass campaign analysis. So let's see. So first of all, we will go to our campaign. So this is my live campaign. You can see in this month, most of people actually say like, hey, how can you do this? Do you have experience? So yeah, I have experience for that. Don't worry. If you need any help for Google Ads, you can feel free reach out to me. You can also feel free message me. I will show you actually how can you contact with me in the after finish this video. Okay, so stay with me. So at first, you can see if I show you my campaign, then you can see right, this is the October. If I select month, you can see that this month it will be better. Okay, so you can see actually if I show you the last 30 days, you can see 35 to 800 hours and receiving this conversion. So hopefully you understand actually my client is happy. So this month if I show it, then you can see same, so some improvement I'm trying to. Okay, so client is almost happy. Also, I'm trying to improving this result actually. So let's see. Actually, today video's main topic is actually how can I actually channel performance like which placement to we are getting the result. So if I show you like this campaign from me, okay. So you can see this is my PMAX campaign and my daily budget is on the 17th. You can see 35 to 352 cost and conversion below. If I show you the areas, then hopefully you can see understand actually uh, it is good or bad. Okay, so you can see. So yeah, I think it's good for client and also client happy. But client want also improve for others campaign. You can see I have two, three campaign, six campaign almost. So then we will go to the channel performance. Actually, we can see actually easily to like where actual right. But right now, Google Ads coming the new update in the PMX. You can see the channel performance. If you just click there, if you select like any campaign, just time select this campaign, then you can see the magic, right? Because actually if we see the channel which channel we are getting the result good, then we can improvement, we can add relevancy for add headline description something like that, right? So this is the just one kind of graph you can see like visualization. But if you want to the analysis, well, you can do this. No is 00 show, so I just click there, then hopefully top part will show the 27, and you can see as the main things is you can see SaaS placement like SaaS channel 2 you are getting almost all sales, right? Almost all sales. So yeah, that is the points. And another, if you see the YouTube discover, you're not getting the good result like click impression something like that. You if you want to the analysis, you can do this. Okay, so that is right now you can easily to say actually channel performance. So I think every business owner, agency owner, it will be good for you. You can see easily result, and you can see which method, which story actually you are getting the result. Understand? So that's it. And if you need any help, then you can feel free just click there link, and hopefully you can see the some method. This one the WhatsApp, you can feel free contact with me WhatsApp. And another placement you can actually I share with you all placement. If you just click there, then hopefully you can see everything. If you want to the book your valuable time, you can select there, you can contact with me the WhatsApp linking. That's it. Thank you so much. And if you have any question and any help, or do you need to the any suggestion, feel free just message me. I will try to help you my best. Thank you so much. Take care. See you another video. Bye bye.